Good morning, dear student. Today, I am going to discuss about potential and kinetic energy. Dear students, firstly, we will know about what is the meaning of energy. My dear students, we are discussing in our class that energy is the capacity of doing work. Energy is capacity of doing work, and in the case of work, we can say that work is the form of energy. And we know that SI unit of work done is joule, so energy of energy is also joule. Work is being done whenever a force moves an object in the same direction as the force being applied. My dear students, you should know that energy means by which birds can fly, tigers can roar, wind can blow, sun can shine, cars can go fast, factories can make things, light bulbs can glow, and your computer can work. Without energy, there would be nothing, no life, no movement, no light, nothing. It means that with the help of energy, we can do every work in our daily life. Dear students, there are two forms of energies. First one is kinetic energy, and second is potential energy. My dear students, you can easily understand about kinetic energy. Energy is stored in any object due to its motion, or we can say that energy due to motion of any object is known as kinetic energy of the object. Example: a moving car contains always kinetic energy, a moving bicycle contains kinetic energy, and moving cricket balls contain kinetic energy, moving football contains kinetic energy. We are saying that all these are containing kinetic energy because we know that all the moving objects always possesses kinetic energy. So in the case of kinetic energy, you can easily understand that kinetic energy means energy due to motion of any object. My dear students, and second one is potential energy. Potential energy means energy due to position, configuration and height of any objects. My dear student, in this given figure, we are getting a points. Energy changes from kinetic to from potential to kinetic, but it never created or destroyed. Always, potential energy changes in the form of kinetic energy. Students, kinetic energy, the amount of kinetic energy is depend on the mass and velocity of. It means that kinetic energy depends on the mass. Suppose we are increasing mass of any object, so value of kinetic energy increases. And if we increase velocity of any objects, then kinetic energy can be increased. Dear students, this is the examples. With the help of this, we can understand about how potential energy changes into kinetic energy. In this diagram, a girl carrying a ball, and firstly ball is at a height from the ground. It means that ball containing potential energy. Now potential energy going to convert into kinetic energy because now ball is in motion. It means that potential energy can be converted into kinetic energy. Examples of potential energy. Potential energy, dear students, potential energy means energy stored or energy due to position, height and configuration of any object. Example: water dam contains potential energy. It containing potential energy due to its position, and arrow and bow contains potential energy. In this case, potential energy containing arrow and bow because of its position, configuration and height. Suppose we are putting a ball in our hands on the roof of our house. It means that that ball contains potential energy due to its height. We can say that in this case ball containing potential energy due to gravitation potential energy. Dear students, we can calculate energies in the form of kinetic energy and in the form of potential energy. Let us take one example related to this. If we know that mass of the object and its velocity can determine the amount of kinetic energy. Formula of kinetic energy, my dear students, this is 1 upon 2 mv square, and with the help of this we can calculate numericals very easily. This is the example of 1200 kg automobiles traveling at the speed of 100 meter per second square. To calculate this we can use the formula 1 upon 2 mv square. 1 upon 2 mass is given and velocity is given 100, so square of 100 is 10,000. With the help of this we are getting 60 lakh joule value of this question is this. With the help of this you can understand and solve very numericals. You can try this numericals by skill. With mass of 14 kg and moving with velocity of this, calculate its kinetic energy. With the help of 1 upon 2 mv square, you can solve this question very easily. Now we are going to discuss about potential energy. Dear students, we are already discussed that potential energy means energy due to position, configuration and height of the any objects. All the objects which takes some heights from the grounds contains potential energy due to gravitation. These are the examples of potential energy. This arrow and bow, these machines containing potential energy because of this height. To calculate potential energy we use formula potential energy is equal to m into g into h, mass into gravity into height. In the place of gravity you can put 9.8 and sometimes you get value of gravity in your question papers is 10 meter per second square. One examples related to kinetic energy and after that potential energy is this. A flower pot with a mass of this is on a window still 15 meters above the ground. Now this is height. Gravitational potential energy m into g into h, we can calculate this. Potential energy is equal to m into g into h. We have given mass and height, gravity is acceleration due to gravity. So you can understand and try other examples and questions related to kinetic and potential energy. To solve the kinetic and potential energy, you can write value of g is equal to 10 meter per second square according to your questions. My dear student, to understand these topics you have to try many numericals and try to experience many examples related to kinetic and potential energy and attempt numericals for your quick calculations and try all the questions which are related to these topics. Thank you.